Welcome back to Lifestyle Nutrition with Brian Diamond, and today we are going to learn about nutrients, what they are, what their types are, and how do you get them. Let's get on with the video. Nutrients are only two types: macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients are what you need as a whole to give you energy. So those are three: protein, carbohydrates, and fat. Those are the three macronutrients that we need to have. And micronutrients are two types: vitamins and minerals. And there are a lot of them. I'll make a separate video about micronutrients and all their names and everything. That's separate video for each of them and how to get them. So for now, all you need to know is macros is energy and weight loss. Micros is for quality of life. For example, I wasn't really feeling too good because of what happened last week, and usually I record these videos around 1 or 2 p.m. It's currently 5 p.m. and this is because I wasn't feeling so good. I was feeling uneasy and I didn't feel like doing it. I felt lethargic. That's because I neglected my micronutrients for about 10 days in a row. If you subscribe to this channel, what you can expect is weekly videos on nutrition, weight loss, tips and tricks on how to attain sustainable weight loss, and also how to maintain that weight loss once you achieve your goal. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Just like a car needs petrol or diesel to run, the human body needs macronutrients to give it energy. And just like a car needs engine oil, the body needs micronutrients, which provide you all of the stuff to help you move and live a smooth life. Otherwise, you can live, but it won't be that much of a quality life. Last week I ate whatever I wanted, and there was 7 weeks worth of editing, and I took 4 extra days to post my Document with Diamond episode 8. And if you want to watch that, you can click this card. This is a public service announcement. I have been getting a lot of questions, and I'm really happy that you all are engaging with me and asking me questions in the comments. I'm really happy for that. I'm answering all of them. However, I would like to make separate videos on them and put them on my channel so that they can be there for people to view in the future when they stumble upon my channel. So what my plan is I'm going to change the current schedule, which is posting 2 videos of concepts every week and 1 episode of Document with Diamond. What I'm going to do is I'm going to post 1 video which is answering specific questions from you guys, subscribers, and 1 video as a concept every week, and then 1 video as the Document with Diamond episode. So that's Tuesday for answering specific questions, Thursday for the concept video, and Saturday for Document with Diamond. So that's my plan, and I would really require your help to help me build this library of questions. So when you have any questions regarding weight loss or nutrition, and if you would like it answered, put them down in the comments on any of my videos and I will answer them right away, and I'll make a separate video about them in the future. And I'm coming with this idea right now because the questions I'm getting are adding up and it's hard for me to keep up, and I don't want to burn myself out or disappoint you and not answer your question through a video, and this is my plan right now. So thank you so much in advance. For coaching inquiries, you can call me on my cell phone, send me a text or WhatsApp, or send me an email if that's what you prefer, and we can work something out. And I'll also put these details down in the description below. Thank you.